Hi everyone, Jack Huang from RosterElf here with a quick guide on changing your payroll export format. Switching formats keeps your data flowing smoothly into your payroll provider, but remember it means rebuilding any existing pay templates. How to open payroll settings. Log into your RosterElf account. This lands you on the dashboard. Click Settings in the top menu, then choose Payroll. This opens all payroll options. How to choose a new payroll export format. Find the Export Format field. It lists every supported provider. Select the provider that matches your payroll system. RosterElf loads that format instantly. Double-check the new format shows as active. That confirms the change. If you hit any hurdles, our support team is ready to help. Happy rostering and chat again soon.